Hey you guys, it is me, Laura, and today we have the orientation right, and I think the lighting is going to be better. And I am super excited to share with you some things that I got in the mail. Most of this is from the holiday catalog, which that will not be available for purchase until September, but I can go ahead and show you a sneak peek. So if you want to get ready for what's coming in the holiday catalog, you can do that. And the cool thing is that this month, if you have like basics that you need to stock up on, like adhesives or paper or ink re-inkers or anything along those lines, now is the time to get it, because in September, I will put a host link in the description of this video when I am done, like a host code, but every $50 you spend, you get a $5 code that you can use on your purchases for September, which is when the holiday catalog comes out. So like I said, if you're going to stock up on your supplies, now is the time to do that. So let's get in this box. This has been here for a little bit today, but it has been a crazy day. Very crazy day. And so now is the first time I get to open it, and I'm so excited. Okay. So this is the Merry Christmas to All stamp set, and there are also coordinating dies that come with this. I did not get the coordinating dies, but you can get the words, I think Christmas, Merry, and Happy are holidays. I don't remember exactly what words, but they're die cuts of words and other things with the dies that go with this. May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy. Wishing you peace and love all year long. And then it's got this nice little border that you can use for your words, and the dies that go with it have a cutout for that. You've got little flourishes and backdrops, which I love because you can do so much with these. But I primarily got this set because I can turn cards, like I can turn my traditional sets like the Foxy Friends set. I can take these, and I put a sentiment there, but I'm going to fix it. But then I put a sentiment right on here from my Merry Christmas to All stamp set, and suddenly I have a Christmas, lots of Christmas sets. I can turn almost all of my regular sets into Christmas sets with this stamp set. So this is super exciting. It is a photopolymer set. So yes, that is Merry Christmas to All. And then we have, okay, some of these are not from the holiday catalog. Let me go ahead and finish what I have from the holiday catalog. Okay, this is the other big thing that I got from the holiday catalog, and everything else is from the regular catalog. But this is, I am so excited about this. I got the bundle. This is the beautiful Blizzard bundle. Now, I don't know if you can see this stamp set, but like, it is super versatile. You have this big blizzardy background, watermark background, and then a smaller one. And then you have, let's see if I can show you, see this little wisp here, and these little dots that you can use as snowflakes. You've got a crosshatch backdrop, and then plus a stamp with all these snowflakes, and I can show you. This is red rubber, so this is the snowflake stamp right here. And so I am super excited. I love snowflakes. Again, you can take this set and turn a lot of your sets that you already have into wintry, snowflakey, Christmassy, holiday kind of cards, and I'm super excited. And so this is actually a sentiment that I saw on a card years ago, and I loved it, and I wrote it down, and I've not actually used it, but I love that it's here. It's, if a hug were a snowflake, I'd send you a blizzard, season's greeting, and you, oh well, this says snowflakes are unique in their own beautiful way, and you are extraordinary. Thinking of you with love. So I love this. And then with it, see if I can open this up. Sorry about the noise. I have not pre-looked at any of this. This is all seeing it for the first time with you guys. So this is the Thinlit dies that go with the beautiful Blizzard set. Okay, now this is awesome, guys. So what they've done, I'm just going to leave it on the card for now. This is one full sheet of snowflakes, so you can cut it out and get all these different size little snowflakes. But the cool thing about this is if you use it with the embossing mat on your Big Shot, then you can get an embossed background on your card. It's the size of a standard card, which is super cool. But if you look, I don't know if you can see the detail that some of these have, and I'm just super eager to play with this and cut some things out. So I am doing a holiday card swap, and if you're not familiar with card swaps, it's when a bunch of people get together, and in this particular card swap we're doing things from the holiday catalog, and no more than 2 people per listen to me, per bundle or per stamp set. And so and then we make enough cards to send to everyone. So I'm using this bundle to make my swap card, and so I'll make 16 of them because there's 16 people doing the bundle, and so I'll send this out to 16 people, and then I'll get 16 cards that show ideas with the holiday catalog back, and I'm super excited. I have so many ideas with this. I don't know what I'm actually going to end up doing, but yeah, I'm super excited. So there's that. Okay, and the rest of this is not from the holiday catalog. It is from the regular catalog, but just stuff that I have been waiting to purchase. So this I actually got to go with the Blizzard stamp set or bundle that I just showed you. And this is silver thread. So it's just thread like you would use for sewing, but it's silver and it's really nice. I think it'll go well with the snowflake kind of motif and idea there. Oh goodness. I got the, come on, where's the other one? It's here somewhere. I hear it. There it is. So I got the mint macaron blender pens. Like I said, I am working on building up my color stash with the new colors and some things that we don't have, that I don't have. So I already have mint macaron paper because it was an in color a while back, and I had a bunch actually left over from that, but I did not have the stamp pad or the blendabilities. So I got those. I accidentally ordered another gorgeous grape re-inker instead of a mint macaron, but that's okay. I use re-inkers a lot for a number of things, but this is the mint macaron dark, and this is the mint macaron light blender pen or blendabilities, and I'm super excited to have these to work with, so that'll be fun. And then just my new stamp pad, because I did not have the ink of mint macaron from before. I just had the paper because it coordinated with some designer series paper I had. Okay, so here's another bundle that I am super excited about. It is called Little Elephant, and it comes with the Elephant Builder Punch. You guys, I am just totally in love with this. This set comes in our catalog. In the annual catalog, this is with the baby and kids stuff, but my goodness, you can use this set for so much. So let me just show you a little bit of this set. So here we have our kind of plaid elephant and a plaid stamp that you can use to do so much with. You've got a big elephant and a little elephant, which I think is really supposed to be mama and baby elephant. And then you have these fun little hearts, little tiny birds, some flowers, thank you, balloons, and an umbrella. Celebrate your big day. To my friend, congratulations. I'll forget you not. Hello, little one. A little kindness is a big thing. So you can really do a lot with this. And then it's got the coordinating punch. So when you punch it out, you have the big elephant, the little elephant, the ears, and the eye that all punch out there. And I forgot to show you this with the other. I got the blender pen, which is so important for using, I guess they don't call it a blending pen. What do they call it? They call it the color lifter, which can really help getting highlights when you're coloring, and also it can help blend out if you're blending from like a light color into nothing, to plain white, like the color of your paper. It can help you blend that out as well. So these are really important if you're using blendabilities. I recommend getting them when you order your very first set or sets of blendabilities. Alright, we've got 2 more. This one I needed because I needed some sentiments. It seems like there's always people who are sick or need encouragement or lifted up, and I don't currently have very much to stamp with, so I felt like this was a really good set that would be versatile, that I could pair with some sets that I already have for images. This says, "Our sincere condolences with heartfelt gratitude." This is called Kindness and Compassion, by the way. "We are sincerely grateful for your kindness and compassion. It is deeply appreciated and will always be remembered by our family. Sending comforting hugs and healing prayers. So sorry for your loss." I love this one. And the thing too is, let's see, they're red rubber, but if you just wanted, like for example, if I just wanted "sending comforting hugs and healing prayers," I could just ink up that part with either a Stampin' Write marker, or I could put a sticky note over the other part and just ink that part up and then take the sticky note off, or I could just wipe it off of there when I'm done. There's lots of options, or just stamp the whole thing and then cut it. So if you just like parts of these, you can use that too. This is, "Thank you for your kind expression of sympathy. Thank you, and from all of us." So that is this set. It is just a sentiment set, but it's really good to pair with some of the stamp sets that I already have. And this one I'm super duper excited about because I don't have any currently. I have one, like, I have this floral set, the Sunshine Sayings, but that's currently the only floral set that I have. And florals are just nice because they're so versatile. You can use them for so many things. And I really like this. I like the burlap texture stamp in the back. I love these kinds of stamps because you can do so much with them. You can use them in so many ways, and they're just great. And so this is the pressed flowers. So it's got kind of pressed flower look, which I really, really like. And this is a host set, so you can get this set if you place an order of $150 or more, or if you host an event in which the total order is $150 or more. So that is what I got in this order. I am super excited, and I want to know what you guys really want to hear and see. And I have been, if you follow me on Instagram or have been following this page, you've seen I have been playing with the Sweet Storybook set quite a bit, having loads of fun with it. A few of the stamps sets that I've made, I made this one here from My Little Squeakheart, and then it's got a little book in it, and I thought for my kids I could put something on each page that I really like about them. It says, "Did I ever tell you you're wonderful?" Super cute there. This is a little shaker card that I have for My Little Squeakheart, it says. I made some postcards for the kids to color, and so they've colored and sent those out to a few people. And then I used this flourish here and the flowers to make this take heart. I will be sending this out to a dear friend here soon. And then I made a set, I'll just show you a couple of these little 3x3 cards with the little mouse, and I made matching envelopes to go with them. Let's see, it says "Psst" and "Hey." So anyway, that was really fun. I made a whole set of those. And I've still got a couple more ideas that I'm going to do with that set before I move on to my next set. Obviously, I will be working with the Blizzard bundle, the beautiful Blizzard bundle, to get my swap card out, but I want to know what you guys want to see. I have so many ideas and so much stuff. I will be posting here in the next week, within the next week, hopefully, a tutorial on how to make this card right here. It's nice and simple, and along with that, if you place an order with me using the post code that I will have in the description, if you place an order with me this month, then for every $50 you spend, you will get 3 kits to make this card. So you'll have everything you need except for the stamps. You provide the stamps, and I will provide all the papers pre-cut and everything so that you can make this card and send it out. And yeah, that's pretty much what I have for you today. Thank you for stopping by, and be sure to find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!